Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we have an espresso machine here that had a water leak in it. We replaced the air regulator valve and now it's working. We're going to go ahead and we're going to test this and we're going to take a shot.
So not a perfect shot, but you can see we had some channeling off to the side of the bottomless portafilter, and but the main thing is that the pump is not leaking, and Mike here is a little new to making espresso, so he didn't pull the lever up all the way at the beginning. But yeah, so at the end, the main thing is that if we look underneath the machine, there's no leak. And the machine's working well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos below. Thank you.